Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study 4 more letters, M, N, O, and P. 2 of the letters have very nice Spencerian form as well, and I will show them in the video. You can find the links to the practice sheet and the book in the description below. Now let's get started. The capital M starts on the cap height, and it has 2 counters. The first downstroke is part of an oval. The second and the third downstroke are straight stem. Each turn is lower than the earlier one, and the width of the 2 counters are approximately equal. Actually, in the book, none of the downstroke follow the slant angle, so you don't have to force yourself to do that. The Spencerian variation has 2 thin counters. The 2 entry strokes flow like water waves and are approximately parallel. The 2 downstrokes are also parallel to each other. Notice that the downstroke is not completely straight, but slightly curved. If you make the 2 downstrokes completely straight, the letter might appear to be too stiff and rigid. Also, the first downstroke should not reach the baseline because it will cut the letter in halves. I think it looks much better if you leave a little space from the baseline. The cursive capital N is very similar to M. It just has 1 fewer counter. Just like in M, the first downstroke is curved, and the second downstroke is straight. The Spencerian form starts on the bottom, and it goes all the way to the top. The exit stroke, however, does not go to the top. The entry stroke should not be too straight, or your letter might look like a triangle. The downstroke should not be curved, or the letter might appear to be sloppy and weak. The downstroke should be straight all the way down. If you've been doing oval exercise, capital O should be easy for you. The axis of the letter should follow the slant angle. The downstroke is heavy and the upstroke is light. The exit line should form a flat water drop shape. Make sure that the oval should be well rounded and symmetric about the axis. The water drop shape should be flat, so it doesn't take too much space. The stem of capital P should follow the slant angle, and the counter closes just slightly above the X height. You can also make a loop with the downstroke depending on your style. You should make sure that the downstroke follow the slant angle. This often looks easier said than done. The counter should not separate too late from the stem, or the letter would look crowded. And it should not separate too early, or the letter would seem to fall apart. That's all for today. I hope you like the Spencerian form. This is the Spencerian abbreviated hand, which is the simplest Spencerian variation out there, but surprisingly elegant and easy to write. If you find it difficult to produce the O shape, I suggest you do more oval exercise. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe so more people can see my content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.